Hello, fitness enthusiasts. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to transform your body, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share how incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can bring incredible benefits. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss the 15th reason. It's a game changer. Let's get it. Increase upper body strength. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength. They primarily target the pectoralis major and minor, which are the main chest muscles. Additionally, your triceps and deltoids, shoulder muscles, get an excellent workout as they work to lift your body. Consistent practice will sculpt and strengthen these muscles, giving you a powerful upper body. Enhance core stability. Push-ups are not just for your upper body, they also engage your core muscles. These include the rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscles, obliques, sides of your waist, and transverse abdominis, deep core muscles. Your core acts as a stabilizer, ensuring your body maintains a straight line from head to heels, which enhances overall core stability. Support lower back health. A strong core is essential for a healthy lower back. When you perform push-ups correctly, you activate your core muscles, which help support your lower back. This reduces the risk of back pain by preventing unnecessary pressure on your lower back muscles, leading to better overall spinal health. Improve posture. Push-ups help correct poor posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine. The plank position required during push-ups engages your abdominal muscles and lower back, promoting better posture. Regular practice can help you stand taller and move more confidently. Improve muscle tone. Regular push-ups can give your muscles a more defined and toned appearance. By varying the type of push-ups you do, you can target different muscle groups and progressively increase the intensity, leading to a more sculpted physique. Enhance joint health. Push-ups are excellent for your joints. The controlled movements involved to help strengthen the muscles and ligaments around your joints, promoting stability and reducing the risk of injury. This exercise also encourages joint lubrication, which is crucial for maintaining healthy, flexible joints. Boost bone health. Strength training exercises like push-ups exert a mechanical load on your bones, promoting increased bone strength and density. Regular push-ups can help maintain bone mass and prevent osteoporosis, which becomes more important as we age. Improve balance and coordination. Push-ups require your core muscles to maintain stability, which improves balance and coordination. The plank position enhances proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space, contributing to better balance and overall coordination. Increase metabolic rate. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. This increases your heart rate and boosts your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories during and after your workout. Enhance cardiovascular health. Studies have shown a link between push-up capacity and heart health. Middle-aged men who could perform more than 40 push-ups had a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Regular push-ups can thus contribute to a healthier heart. Improve flexibility. Push-ups involve a range of motion that stretches and contracts various muscles, promoting flexibility. This dynamic movement helps lengthen and strengthen the muscles involved, improving overall flexibility. Enhance athletic performance. The strength and stability gained from push-ups can enhance performance in a variety of sports and physical activities. Whether you're lifting, swinging, or performing any athletic movement, the benefits of push-ups will help you excel. Boost mental health. Exercise, including push-ups, triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood enhancers. Completing sets of push-ups can give you a sense of accomplishment, boosting your mental health and self-esteem. This exercise also promotes mindfulness, connecting your mind and body for better mental clarity and reduced stress. Variety of modifications. Push-ups offer a wide range of variations to suit different fitness levels and target various muscle groups. Some popular modifications include incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated surface to target the upper chest. Diamond push-ups. Form a diamond shape with your hands to focus on the triceps and inner chest. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet to challenge the upper chest and shoulders. Clap push-ups. Explode off the ground and clap your hands mid-air for an advanced challenge. One of the best things about push-ups is that they can be done anywhere, anytime. You don't need any special equipment, making them a convenient and cost-effective exercise option. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, you can always fit in a quick push-up workout. How to perform push-ups correctly. To get the most out of push-ups, it's crucial to maintain proper form. Start in a plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Keep your abdominal muscles tight to maintain stability. Lower your body, bend your elbows and lower yourself until your chest is as close to the floor as possible. Push back up, straighten your arms, and return to the starting position, keeping your core engaged throughout. Remember to perform 3 sets of 10-15 reps, adjusting as needed based on your fitness level. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can significantly transform your body and overall health. From building upper body strength to boosting mental health, the benefits are endless. Start today and experience the incredible impact of this simple yet powerful exercise. By the way, friends, be sure to check out other videos on this channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Build your anatomy. It's the only option. See you soon.